Assalamualaikum students, it's me Yusra, your social studies teacher. So we are going to continue the chapter number 11, the role of media, and today's topic is the news on air. So in the 20th century, the governments of different countries started to use radios to send out news and information. And in 1920s, radio technology became much better, and more people had radios in their homes. And the radio manufacturers means that the makers and the producers of the radio, they started small radio stations which helped to sell radios as well and help the people to listen more entertainment programs and news as well. And in 1927, Indian Broadcasting Company began radio broadcasting in the subcontinent, which later was known as All India Radio. So the broadcasting means that the starting of transmission of programs or information, specifically by radio or television. Okay, and the in 1947, when the All India Radio, when the Pakistan got independence, the All India Radio had three radio stations in that area that became Pakistan. So later on, the government of Pakistan took those radio stations and named them as Pakistan Broadcasting Corporation. And the world's first public service television broadcasting company was the BBC, and it started its transmission and broadcasting in 1922, but it could not broadcast over a very long distance at that time. But now the BBC has a very large network. And Pakistan television started its broadcasting in 1964. So in 1895, there was a scientist named Marconi. He was an Italian inventor. He made the first wireless radio transmitter and receiver. So the transmitter means it is a kind of electronic device used in telecommunications specifically to produce the radio waves in order to send the data and information with the help of an antenna. So students, you can see that there is an antenna in this picture as well, which helps to send the data and information. So the next topic is the advertising. So students, you see different kinds of advertisements in your TV sets, and when you go outside, you also see different large billboards of advertisements. So, what does advertisement mean? Advertisement is a announcement in a public, okay, which helps to promote their product, service, or any event as well. Okay, so and the first newspaper advertisement was printed in France in 1836. So now we are going to see that different ways of advertisements in the past, how people used to promote or sell their products. So number one is that they call out to people in towns and cities. They sing, they dance, they entertain people, and they drew different pictures in order to promote or sell their different products. And they use different materials like wood, stones, and they say that specifically in Egypt they used papyrus. Okay, papyrus is a kind of a sheet made from a plant, okay, made from a plant, and which help them to write on it. Students, I'm going to give you an activity right now that you have to make your own advertisement. So it's going to be very interesting. So what you have to do is that you can draw or paste the any product you like. You have to use the white plain sheet, or you can use any colored paper sheet, and you can draw that. For example, I'm going to give the example like here the pictures of like lace. You can use that wrapper and staple it on your paper, and you can then you have to write down what is the name of your favorite product and tagline of that product. For example, I like chocolates, okay? So for example, Cadbury Dairy Milk has a tagline like kuch meetha ho jaye. So you can write down the tagline of that product, and what is the price of ingredients. You can write 5 to 6 ingredients, main ingredients of that product, and then you have to write down why you like it. Okay, you have to write 2 lines of that why you like that specific product. So, okay, students, these are the question answers and the objective worksheet of this chapter, which I have already given to you for your homework. I hope you have done this and try to do this on your own. But if you find any difficulty, let me know, give me the feedback. So, inshallah, in the next video, we are going to start the new chapter, Money and Banks. So, till then, take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.